There's free gift for everyone from Zepto. Let's check out. Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes. This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today we'll see a free gift from Zepto. Okay, as you see in the picture, these were some of the items I have ordered on Zepto. So for every order, you have a gift box given by Zepto, but the order value should be 650 rupees. So here comes gift box from Zepto, and in the later part of the video you can see how I placed my order and got my gift box. Okay, without any delay, we'll see what's there in the gift box, right? Ready? Yes. Now we'll quickly open the gift box and see what are the items that are in the gift pack. As you see in the picture, first comes Health OK product. This is exclusively for men's health. It has got 12 vitamins and 7 minerals. This is a sample pack, not for sale, so price is not mentioned. As you see in the picture, you've got 5 tablets. It helps overall health, and also you can maintain the energy by having this, and also it helps to build immunity. As you see in the picture, this is how it looks. These are lemon flavored. Next comes Ever Youth Golden Glow Peel Off Mask. This is with 24 carats gold mask. In 15 minutes of time, you can see your face glow after this mask. You can try this. Next comes Garnier Skin Naturals. This is serum, a booster serum. If you have any spots or wrinkles, you can try this. This is not for sale and the price is not mentioned. Next comes Continental. This is coffee, 3-in-1 delicious premix coffee. The specialty is, it says hazelnut is added into this, and you can see a bunch of natural and artificial flavors goes into this. Okay, let's see the next. This is green apple fruit drink. As you see in the picture, this is 240 ml. It costs around 50 rupees. It's a good brand. You can try this. It's a brand since 1892. As you see in the picture, it's green in color. It tastes good. And if any of you watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notification. And if you have done so, thank you so much. So it has a gorgeous look, as you see in the picture. The next item we have got in the box is bakeries, fruit and nut. This is a healthy breakfast. You've got oatmeal mixed with berries, fruit and nut. You can try this. And there are no added preservatives, rich in fiber, as you see in the picture. It looks good and tastes good. You can have this with your milk in the mornings. And the next item we have in the box is the chocolate, which all of us like, right? This is Cadbury Fuse chocolate. This is 15 grams chocolate bar with peanuts going into it. So here comes. It's soft and silky because you have the Cadbury flavor, right? And the last item we have creamy coffee, and it costs 10 rupees. It says it has got 3-in-1 delicious coffee flavors. It's a continental coffee. You can try this. Here we see some of the cards that are left in the box. It It is Infino ice creams. You can scan for more details. If you like ice creams, you can taste these flavors, right? Okay, that's it. We have come to an end. These are the free gift items we have got in the box. Next, I'll show you how to get free gift from Zepto. If you're a new user to Zepto, you can go to my description box, click on the link, get the app, and have the referral reward. You can get 15% off on your first order using the referral code. So do check out. If you don't know how to apply the referral code, I'll also provide that video in the description box. You can check out. Okay, after opening the app, this is the home page that appears. You have got Diwali deal store. You can click on that and see the offers over there and click on add button. Now after adding all the products to the cart, make sure that your cart value is 650 rupees and above. Then only you see a gift box being added to your cart. As you see in the picture, here the gift box is added. And if at all your gift box is not added to the cart, please don't worry. It will say you in the cart as how much worth of items or the value you got to add to the cart in order to get gift box. As you see in the picture, after your gift box being added to the cart, you got to place the order now. You scroll down and you can see here an option to apply coupons and offers. You just click on avail offers and coupons. Once you click on that, you have plenty of coupons over there. You choose any of the coupon of your choice. You click on apply button. After the coupon is applied, this is how the screen looks. Here it says 5% cashback as I'm using MobiKwik wallet. After applying the coupon, you can click on continue to payment. You have payment options, cash on delivery and other online modes also available. You can check out. That's it, done. Your order is placed. This is how you can place your order on Zepto and have your gift box. Thanks for watching. If you like the gift box, let me know in the comment section. Do subscribe. Have a good day. Keep smiling.